everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel we discuss everything that has to do with the business, the successes, the failures, and everything in between. And in today's video we are going to be talking about the INUKA Specials. So let's get into it. So today I just want to explain more about the INUKA Specials. There has been a lot of misunderstanding on how the INUKA business actually works, especially when it comes to social media, because you see different adverts from different people with different prices, with different times. You're trying to buy something from someone and they say, no, I don't have a special on that, so on and so forth. It becomes very confusing for new members, and it also becomes very confusing for people who are just trying to buy stuff from us. Now, as people who've been here for a while, we understand what is going on, but for new people, they get lost, and also for customers as well, it gets confusing. So I want to explain to you guys the INUKA Specials. Now, there is a thing called INUKA Specials, and then there's a thing called I have a special. The INUKA Special, it means that this is a special that is coming from INUKA. Elma said and decided INUKA is going to have a special, and then she communicates it to all the IPOs that we are going to have a special on this date, and then they set the duration, they set the prices, and then they set the products that are going to be in that special, right? And then there's a thing called I have a special. You'll see an IPO on their social saying that they have a special. You'll see an IPO maybe coming to you personally to say that, you know what, I actually have a special. Those are mostly the specials that are sent by individuals. It's a special that is only for me and my customers, or whoever is interested in buying for me. It does not affect other IPOs or INUKA at large. An example of this would be that for myself at month end, I would have a special where I say that from the 31st to the 1st, I am selling my classic perfumes for 120 instead of 180 rands. And then after that, I go back to my normal prices. Now, that is my special. That is not a special from INUKA. So it's a special that you only find for me. If you go to another IPO and you say, I want the perfume 180, they will tell you that no, there is no special. I don't have that special. That is because that is my personal special, and it was not discussed with other IPOs, and it was not discussed with INUKA as well. And then we have what we call the INUKA Special, which is the special that is coming directly from INUKA. Now, for that one, it affects all INUKA distributors, but still, if a person has a choice to go and buy the stock, or they cannot buy the stock. I'm going to explain that right now. So the specials that mostly come from INUKA, it will be your BOGO, which I have a video on that. It will be probably your Valentine's. It is the founders challenge of something like that. And you also have Father's Day and things like that. So these are the specials that you will find that INUKA would say, as I've already mentioned before, INUKA would say that we're having a Father's Day. So for this week, the week before Father's Day, they will say that you can buy a perfume, you can buy a lotion, and you will get, maybe they'll say you will get a free toiletry bag, for example, and then they will tell you how much all of that will cost, and then they will tell you how much you can actually sell it to your customers. Okay, now for this special, you will find it across all INUKA distributors. However, if, for example, me, at the time that the special came out, I don't have money, then I won't have the special because I did not stock it, so I won't have the special. And then the people who have money will go out and purchase it so that they will also have the special. But even though I did not go out and buy the stock, I will still be aware that there is such a special. So if you come to me asking about the special, even if I do not have it myself, but I will be aware of it, and I can point you to a person who has, you can find the special from, or you can purchase it from. Okay, that's how that INUKA Special works. So it is available across all IPOs. It is known by everyone. And then the special that we do for ourselves, it is not known to everyone. It does not affect everyone, because it is something where I'm sitting here in my room, I have a lot of stock, and I'm thinking, in order for me to sell the stock, let me put it on a special, and then I advertise it as a special. I lower my prices for a certain period of time, and then I sell it. Now, the issue that comes, because you'll find people coming and asking you about the special, and you're thinking, no, there is no special. The problem is that people do not indicate that in their adverts. So someone will be advertising on Facebook, for example, and say that there is a special for perfumes. You're going to get a classic perfume for 120 rands instead of 180 rands. However, they do not mention that this is my personal special, and that's where the confusion sometimes comes from, especially when it comes to customers. Because when I, as an IPO, I see that, I will not be faced by it, because I understand, oh, it's their special, because there was no communication sent out by INUKA. Because whenever there's a special, INUKA sends out a communication to everyone. They send an SMS to everyone, and then it's also communicated to special switch leaders. It is also communicated to uplines as well. So you will not only get it yourself. If you get an SMS on only yourself saying that INUKA has a special, there is something fishy. If an SMS comes from INUKA saying that there's a special, you must know that everyone in your team must receive that message. Your switch leader must receive that message. Your upline must receive that message as well. If you are the only one who has received that message saying that INUKA has a special, something is very off. And you can also go and confirm it on your SIMO. You look in your SIMO and then you confirm it there to see if there is actually a special, because it's going to pop up on your SIMO. That was just a safety thing that I was trying to share. And also it is a way to help the new members to understand, because sometimes people are new members and then they're seeing someone having a special and then they think, oh, there's a special available, and to know it's that person's special. So if you did not receive the SMS, if it was not communicated with you by your upline, it means that that is that person's special. It is not, it is an individual special. It is not an INUKA special. And then individual specials, as I've already mentioned, they are only available to that specific individual. They are not available from all IPOs. So if you've seen someone's post saying that they have a special for this and this and this and that, and then when you like, no, I have my own IPO and I'm gonna buy from my own IPO, and then when you get to them, they're like, no, I don't have that special. You need to understand that that was an individual special, and then it's not available from all IPOs. I hope I made sense. I hope I made sense. But the plea that I would like to have with people is that when they are advertising their own individual specials, especially if you're watching this video, let's do right. If you are going to have your own individual special, please state that, even if you write it italic on your post, just to say that this is my individual special, so that people don't get confused and now there's a war between IPOs, because people are being yelled at, they are being called greedy and so on and so forth, because people who are outside don't understand how INUKA works, but as people who are inside, we understand how our business works. So to protect each other and also to protect the name of our business, we have to work together in these ways, on that if you are having your own individual special and you are posting it on large platforms like your Facebook, your Instagrams, your TikToks, please do mention that it is your own individual special. It is not an INUKA special. And also, if you are selling things like your BOGO and you are undercutting the price, yes, if you are going to undercut the price, you are not going to sell using the recommended price. You are actually going to sell using the stock price. Also, please do indicate that the recommended price is 180. However, I am selling it to you for 120 rands. This is also to protect, number one, your downlines from being called expensive or being called greedy. It is to protect your team members from being called greedy or being called expensive, and it's also to protect other IPOs, even if you don't know them, again, from being called greedy. And most importantly, it is to protect our brand and our name, so that people are not called scammers or whatever, because once we have those names floating around and they are attached to our IPOs, at the end of the day, it is going to come back and affect you as well, even if you feel like you're still making your PVs because you're selling 120 and people are buying from you. But once names like that, like your greedy, expensive scammers, come and get attached to the business, it's going to affect you as well. So let's protect each other by being transparent and open with our customers. If you are lowering your prices, please do indicate that this is the recommended price. However, I am selling it for this price. If you are having your own individual special, please do indicate that this is an individual special, so that there can be some respect, surrounding the name of our business, because this is how some people make their living. They are only dependent on the INUKA business. So we need to protect it as best as we can, and the only way we can protect it is if we are being honest and open with our customers, and if we are protecting each other in the process. So I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the video, do the most, and remember, never say no to a crowd.